Hello friends, today is R.D. Burman's birthday. So happy birthday to the Lord of Music. Yeah, that's what we call him in India at least. I hope you would agree. So today we just can't avoid discussing his works. And when I talk about the A series, the immediate number that came to my mind after Adhikar was none other than Abhilasha. Abhilasha is one of the very few records which was pressed on Angel label, because R.D.'s most of the work was in 70s post that, and then the Odeon series had started. So apart from Bhoot Bangla and Chandan Ka Palna, of course, this is one such record that was released on Angel label. So here I have got the record. Take a good look at the jacket. Nanda ji, Sanjay Khan, Dr. Khanekar, Rahman Sahab. But when we talk about Abhilasha, we only talk about R.D. Burman and that iconic song Wadiyan Mera Daman, Raaste Meri Baein, Jaiye Aap Kahan Jayenge. This song was so good that they had to, record it in two versions. One by Mohammed Rafi, which is the first song on side A, and then the last song on side 2, that was by Lata Mangeshkar. Apart from that, Ek Janib Shamme Mehfil, that was a peppy number by Mohammed Rafi and Manna Dey. That's also a very nice song if you listen to it, and penned by Majroor. So great song, 6 songs in all, 3 on either side, and this is the rare side. As we had spoken yesterday, the flip back jacket, the first print original Angel, Rahman Sahab, Meena Kumari and Sweet Lord R.D. Burman, R.D. and instantly it was R.D. Productions. Of course not R.D. Burman. The producer of this movie happened to be a builder as well. So जब मीना कुमारी को उनकी फीस देने की बात आई, तो बिल्डर ने कहा कि मैडम मैं आपको एक बंगलो बना के दे देता हूँ, फीस कैश में लेके क्या करेंगी आप? मीना कुमारी बीइंग मीना कुमारी, शी सेड ठीक है सर, जो आपको ठीक लगे. And that is how she was paid for working in this movie. So if you look at, if you go through all my previous videos, you will find that I had posted Wadiyan Mera Daman in Rafi's voice, straight from my record, and it's in a very good quality. So you can check it out. I will also put that link in this video, so that it will be easy for you to reach out there. So as I had told yesterday in the last episode, that apart from Angel, whenever I get an opportunity to collect the Odeon counterparts, I don't fail. And here is the Odeon record. Yeah. See? The Odeon. The matrix number, of course, is the same, 2XJE1147, and for this side 2XJE1148. This is the same matrix on both Angel and Odeon. So this was the Odeon print for you. Sounds exceptionally well. And here we have got the first release Angel copy, 1968, recording published in 1968, 3 AEX 5183. The elevated ring, the large Angel logo, lyrics Majroor, Sultanpuri, wonderful songs. The team had paired up, so R.D. was now with Majroor, and the association had to go for a long time. Same matrix number, 2XJE1147, 2XJE1148. 3 songs on either side. A great album. The only difference that I found, which was quite unlikely, is that in both the cases, they released these records in the same jacket. Maybe they had produced the jackets in a large quantity and they did not press dedicated jackets for Odeon release. So here also, if you see this flip back cover, here also the flip back cover, you know, some writing by the ex-owner, and here is a sticker that says Philadelphia, 1125 Chestnut Street, Hawkhurst. So this was the kind of seal that they had used in those days. And yeah, owned by some Mr. PK Banerjee. I hope he's watching the video. So he would be happy to know that I have kept his record very well. So I bought it from a record dealer, an online record dealer, around 7-8 years ago. And I'm very proud of these copies. They play a wonderful. So while making this video, I found out one more Angel copy. This is without cover. Looks good. And it's a kind of, a surprise find. So now I have 3 originals, 2 Angels and 1 Odeon. So it's always great to have R.D. Burman's work, and that too in multiple copies. A great number. Enjoy R.D. Burman's birthday. Play all his great songs. And Wadiya Mera Daman, as I said, takes away the cake. Great song. Wonderful rendition by Mohammed Rafi. The tune, the orchestration, the recording quality, everything is just number 1. So catch you again in another video wherein we will be discussing one more iconic record, the first prints, as promised. I hope this association grows further. Goodbye and good luck.